We'll learn how to download and use Steam for gaming on Linux today in this video. Hence, start by searching for Steam on the Linux store. Click on Steam and install it after you've located it. Open Steam after installation, then give it some time to update. It will automatically reroute you to the login page after it has updated. Here's where you enter your login information. Steam will take you to its home page after logging in. In this page, look for a Steam icon found in the upper left corner of the interface's main page. Select it to view the settings. When the options window opens, select Compatibility, enable Steam Play for all other titles, and then click Restart when prompted. You can now download any game you'd like to play. I want to use Zombie Blocks 2 as my game. I'll download it immediately and walk you through the process of downloading and playing any game. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.